Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on my Supreme Profit Systems bonuses. Please stick to the very end because you're going to love these bonuses. My bonuses actually make a difference in your business and help you generate traffic, leads, and sales. No one else is going to have the bonuses that I have, and everyone else's bonuses are actual trash and not going to help you actually get results. So please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications, and let's go ahead and get into this video about my team bonuses, okay? So when you get started in Supreme Profit Systems, there's multiple bonuses that I offer on my team. However, I've broken it down into just a few handful of bonuses, and then within those are more bonuses, okay? Alright, so let's get into the team bonuses real quick. So here are my Team Temple bonuses, and it's actually $21,241 worth of bonuses. So it's actually worth more to be on my personal team than it is to promote anything, right? So SPS is $11,000 total all in. It's actually worth it to be more on my team more than it is to actually be all in SPS. And so let me explain to you why. So one, I'm going to build you a custom branded funnel. And I'm going to show you the funnel in just a moment after I explain my bonuses. So I'm going to build you a custom branded funnel complete with a 30-day email autoresponder. And yes, Supreme Profit Systems does have its own capture pages. It does have its own marketing system. However, if you're going to promote a high-ticket program, you need to get people to know, like, and trust you. You need to control your business. You can't just send money to a page or send traffic to a page and hope and pray that people send you $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, $11,000. You're going to have to either get on the phone with people a little bit more, you're going to have to do a video, you're going to have a funnel, you're going to have to do something. So what I do is I actually coach my team and actually personally help my team do everything that they need to do in affiliate marketing to succeed. And I'll show you my funnel in just a moment. But that's the biggest bonus. It's actually really fucking awesome, and you're going to work with me one-on-one. And I'm going to show you more about the funnel in just a moment. And then two, you're going to get personal access to me, to coaching, and anything that you need help with. So you can call me, text me, email me at any time. I will share with you anything that you need as far as traffic sources or coaching or what to say, or maybe you just don't know what to make a video about today. Just ask me, call me, hey, what do I make a video about today? I'd be like, well, what are you promoting? And then I'll just ask you 2 or 3 questions, and then I'll tell you what to make a video about. So whatever you're stuck on, you can always ask me and get help, okay? 24/7, 365 support, mentorship, and coaching, okay? So thank you so much. Even if I'm sleeping, you can always call me. Don't worry about that. I'm happy to wake up and coach you and then go back to bed. I do this full time. I don't have a job. I do network marketing, affiliate marketing full time because I'm very good at it, okay? So number 3 on my bonuses is going to be my proven traffic source. So I have tested all the Udemy solo ads. I've tested a bunch of other solo ads. I've tested all sorts of traffic sources that you can buy from. I've tested all the name brands. I've tested all the top names. And I've tracked the data. I've tracked the opt-ins. I've tracked the email open rates. I've tracked the email click-through rates. And I've tracked the sales. So most people just track the opt-ins and the sales. I track the open rates in the emails and the click-through rates on the emails. Because you like a lot of people will buy solo ads and they'll get like a 60, 70, 80% opt-in rate, which is actually like, it's actually way too high unless you're like niching down really hard. But anyways, you'll get a lot of opt-ins on some solo ads that are cheaper. But then if you really look at the back end, no one's opening your emails or no one's clicking on the links in your emails, right? And so you really need the clicks in the emails going back to your offer to get the second exposure, the third exposure, the fourth exposure, right? To get those 7 to 12 exposures before someone actually makes a purchasing decision. Okay, so it takes 7 to 12 times for you to see an advertisement before you actually maybe want to go get that item, okay? So every day, like, you drive in your car and you pass billboards, you pass businesses, right? So you pass the same business multiple times. You never see it until like 7, 12 times later. So it's very important to know the best traffic source, because you want these people coming back and you want them engaged. You want them to be real people. So I've tested everything, and I'll just give you my top 3 traffic sources. Okay? I'll just give you my top 3 traffic sources. And then bonus number 4 is I'm going to buy you free clicks from my number 1 traffic source. So the number 1 traffic source on this list right here of 3, it's the same traffic source I buy from. I'm going to go ahead and buy you clicks from there and send it to your branded, customized funnel. Okay? So let me go ahead and show you, excuse me, let me go ahead and show you the funnel that I built for you. And that way you can get really excited about making $500 commissions, $1,500 commissions, $3,500 commissions, $7,500 commissions, and even $11,000 commissions. Okay? So let me show you the funnel that I built for you. Okay, so here's the capture page right here. Converts very well. Converts at above. When I very first launched it, it was converting at like 60% plus. So it's converting at like 50+%. I haven't ran a lot of solo ad clicks to it, just warm clicks, and it's performing very, very well. So you click right here, it's a video fake out, enter their name and email. Once people enter their name and email, they will end up on a page, let me see, that looks like this, okay? So here's what the page looks like. And what I want you to notice about the funnels that I build is that they're very congruent with the opportunity that we are promoting. So right here, we have the free 48-hour upgrade, unlocked in X amount of time when the video, when the video ends. We have the same title as the Supreme Profit Systems page right here, right? So we have the same title, it's staying congruent, and really, really simple. There's not a lot on the page. They see that their last step and that their bonuses will be revealed when the timer hits 0 up here. So the timer is the first thing up there. And then there's going to be your contact information and a picture of you. If you do not want your contact info, I could put like Facebook, or I could put your phone number with text only. Like I could type in text only right here. But anyways, what's really cool about this funnel is, check this out. So we actually brand it to you. So the bridge video that introduces you is actually way better than the actual Supreme Profit System sales video. So check this out. Watch. It's actually funny. You're going to be really excited to promote this. Watch. So, and it's only available on my team. Okay? So watch this. When we have our video right here, I'll pause it so it don't take forever to load. But we start off with testimonials right here. So see this? So this is what good sales funnels do. This is what a good video in the home business niche does. It starts off with testimonials. So we have 3 testimonials right here at the beginning, really powerful. And then we have the bridge video that introduces you, right? So this is my bridge video. And then I will edit your bridge video to have your name, your phone number, and music in the background. And then I will even coach you on how to do the bridge video and exactly what to say. And I'll show you 2 examples of that. So hold on just one moment. You're just going to get even cooler. So here's my bridge video right here. I like to do a face video because I like to show people that you can just have a basic white background and show your face. Just look okay and know what you're talking about, and you'll be able to attract people to you. You don't need Lamborghinis or the ocean in the background. You don't need to be on a private jet to be able to make money from home. So I like to show people that I can just have a basic white background. I've thought about having a studio, having nice background, and putting some sort of Canva on the wall. Find something, some cool wall picture, but I really just want to show people that they can do it without having to do a whole lot of fancy stuff. And then at the end, we have a call to action, so we tell people to click the button below, and then we have testimonials again at the end. So let me show you real quick. So this is the same page that we had our bonuses on. So check this out. So here's our bonuses right here. So when the timer runs out, the button pops up right here, and this goes to this page right here directly. Okay, so there's one button, there's two buttons right there, and then there's a third button at the bottom. Okay, so we have our bonuses right here. So real simple page, and you can even give away these bonuses yourself. So for example, if you wanted to like, let's say you don't want to build someone's funnel, right? Because you want to keep it simple and keep it real easy and have more time freedom. So what you can do is you can send your paid members to me, and I can build their funnel for them for a fee, right? So you can always give away your time and answer people's questions, help people go through the system, help people understand how to set up their 1-800 number in Supreme Profit Systems. Really easy stuff. You can always give people the same traffic source that I give you, and then you can always buy people a little bit of clicks from the traffic source because they're spending high ticket money and sending you a lot of money. So you can always give away bonuses. You can even give away the same bonuses that I do on my team. So I keep these here for you when I build your funnel. But check this out. So here is an example of a funnel that I built for one of my team members recently. And this is Doug, and this is his bridge video. And so this is...
Short video for you. Thanks so much for being here. You're here because...
Let me go back to the beginning.
Hey, Doug here with a super short video for you. Thanks so much for being here. You're here because you want to earn an extra $3,000 or a lot more per month, but $3,000 at least in the next 90 days. But before I show you exactly how that $3,000 formula works, and why it really works,
Okay.
and how you can build that foundation to any level, and buying every shiny object and going deeper and deeper into debt. I lost a lot of time and money because I didn't know what I was doing. I was ready to give up. I got an email that caught my attention. I got it. I clicked that link.
Okay, so see how Doug I put Doug's story into this slideshow. So now Doug has a powerful slideshow that he can use for the program that this is. So this is a different program. And then I help Doug with this program. So this is one of my main programs. And then here's another example of the same program. So here's Brittany, and she did a bridge video, and here's Brittany's bridge video.
Hey, Brittany here with a super short video for you. Thank you so much for deciding to watch this video. You are here because you want to earn an extra $3,000.
Okay, so other than... So let me go and pause this. Okay, so basically I help people actually make money from home. So Doug, right here, because Doug is actually running paid traffic, we set up his funnel and we ran some solo ads, and Doug got his first sale in 12 days of getting started on my team. So, I don't know why it's taking forever to load. But anyways, guys, what you really need to understand is that being on my team makes a real difference, okay? So if you're going to get started in Supreme Profit Systems and spend high-ticket money, don't spend or send the money to some lazy sponsor that's not going to do anything for you, or just buy some clicks for you, or buy some text ads for you, or whatever, and it's not really going to do anything. Well, guess what? Not only am I going to buy you clicks with the commissions that I make from you, but I'm also going to set up a high-converting branded funnel and work with you and coach you so that you get results from the traffic that I buy for you as a bonus, and I'll even coach you on how to get free traffic. So being on my team is the best. You don't want to be with anyone else. You want to be on Team Temple. Get access to my bonuses right now, and go ahead and get started on my leveraged profit systems. I'm sorry, my Supreme Profit Systems team. It used to be called Leveraged Profit Systems, but go and click the link down below. Okay, go and click the link down below. Thank you so much. Go and click that link down below. I'll see you on the inside. I look forward to working with you personally. See you soon.